you, Daddy. Love you, kids. Thank you. Thank you.
Sometimes I don't understand why I thought that I had all the time in the world to go and see you a while, for just a little while. It should have been, could have been, would have been alright. Wish I knew.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Golden dream. Straight looking, eating, tasty, treats, wild.
Is it grandma or grandpa?
We cheer our California team.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you daw? 94.
94.
Merry go on, let's go.
Could see you one more.
Yung isa, yun ang sumasakit. Oh, itaas mo gano'n. Oh, you can. Saan naman? Oh.
Hindi ka ako, hindi mo mataas eh.
Oh.
Masakit yun.
Oo nga, kaya nga
Saka ang
ano.
likod. Ngayon,
Eh, yung
natataas
likod
ko
mo.
na. Kahapon masakit niya, hindi na.
Ay, the back now. It's hurting?
Hindi na masyado.
Hindi na. Oh, now you can wiggle?
Hinagalaw ko ganyan eh.
Oh, okay, good.
In-exercise ko eh.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh, say, praise the Lord. Dalawang kamay. Praise the Lord. Yung...
But I know that God holds your life. Your battle is
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Get in here, bud. Get in here, bud. Get in here. Get in the picture. Get in here. Happy New Year! Happy New Merry Christmas! Christmas and Happy New Year! And Happy New Year! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! I love you! Okay. O sige, magpalakas ka at wag mo kong kalimutan. O sige, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you very much, okay?
And he said